All right, so you've been involved in a car crash and your vehicle has suffered significant damage. What do you do and who's going to pay for it? First, if your vehicle is damaged and can be repaired, an insurance company will send a field adjuster out to take photographs and assess the damage, and then you'll deliver your vehicle to a repair shop who will then work on it and repair it, and the insurance company will pay it. That's pretty simple. However, if your vehicle is damaged beyond repair and it's been totaled, all you can get back is the fair market value of your vehicle immediately before the collision occurred. What that means is if you could have sold or traded your vehicle in the day before the crash, that's what the fair market value is. It does not take into account whether or not you still owe money on your vehicle to a bank or other lender. It does not take into account whether or not that vehicle holds some sort of special place in your heart or sentimental value. It is solely the fair market value of the vehicle immediately before the collision, and that's what you can recover. However, if you have any other questions, please contact an injury attorney at HS Law, and we look forward to helping you.